welcome back to my channel. We are all stressed out being at home in this lockdown. So to refresh our minds, I'm going to share our family trip experience as a vlog. I hope you all will enjoy watching it, but I've already shared few tips and tricks on our travel and also few information regarding that. So before that, entering into your vlog, please make sure
subscribe to my channel by hitting the red subscribe button and do not forget to hit the bell icon, especially the all button, to get notified whenever I upload new video.
let's start with a brief note. So according to our plan, we planned to go to Madurai like few years ago, but we couldn't go, and finally we thought we'll visit Madurai for a prayer which my mother had for a long years. So once we decided to go, once the dates were confirmed, we decided to plan in advance everything, like stay, our journey, our trip, like route, everything ahead of what we thought. So what happened is, like before 5th, like we started by 5th March 2020. So we had like right before, like 3 to 4 days ahead, we started planning it, and we started the route also, and we booked all the rooms ahead. So we started off with our breakfast by around 10 o'clock from Sri Ananda's hotel, as you are seeing here in Vadavalli, and we just left the city via Pollachi, Udumalpet, Palani, and we reached Madurai. So this is the junction. I think it's a Pollachi junction, and after this is Udumalpet, like you will be seeing in this video. So everything was planned ahead, like not so ahead, but 2 to 3 days before will do. If you're going on seasons or on vacations, peak seasons, please do book everything, plan before 1 week or 10 days or even a month. That will be better. The scene which you're seeing here is from Udumalpet. It is a windmill. You can see a lot of windmills here. The place is called Udumalpet here. It's a road, like a bypass road. We have to cross this to reach Palani. We thought we'll have our lunch in Palani and visit a temple also, because we didn't had planned before. We thought, okay, on the go we'll visit, because the Palani temple is open from morning 8 o'clock, sorry 5 o'clock till 8 p.m. So we had a flexibility of visiting that too. But as we ran out of time, we thought we'll just visit the Adivaram temple, which is down, and we did not go to the up hill temple. And this is a very beautiful view of the windmills. So now we are entering the Palani town, and this is the I'm going to share the temple view also, like the hill temple view also. As you can see, the hill is saying we thought we'll visit Lord Murugan before entering it. So this is the hill temple, but we couldn't visit as time did not permit. And this is the Adivaram temple. It has a special connection to me because we got married here, the same temple here. So as electronic gadgets are not allowed, we didn't take pictures inside. And finally we reached Madurai by evening 5 o'clock, and we thought we'll just refresh and we'll just leave to temple. So this is the hotel where we stayed. It is 2 to 3 kilometers away from the temple. The reason why we chose to stay a little away from the temple is because we traveled through car. So there is no proper facilities in like near car parking facilities in the hotels nearby temple. So we thought we'll stay a little away and we'll hire a cab to reach there. So there is no issues in parking. So this was a selfie, and my father wants to take a selfie, so he was reading that. We had a mini photo session before we left. And we got few information like temple timings, everything in the reception. So we usually do that. So we got few information, dress code, everything. So as a dress code, no half trousers, lungis are allowed for male, and for females, like you're not supposed to wear leggings, like which is quite revealing, and any revealing clothes are sleeveless tops are not allowed inside. If you're wearing a sleeveless top, you can just cover it up with dupattas, then you are allowed to go. So now we took the cab from the same hotel itself. They charged 150 rupees to reach there, and we got his number also, so that we'll call back once once the temple visit is done. So we planned in advance. So we got his number too, and we are leaving to temple now. Now this is the stand where you can place all your belongings. Like if you're taking mobile phones, you're supposed to drop here. You're not supposed to take any kind of electronic gadgets inside the temple. So if you're not comfortable placing your mobile phones here, you can just leave it in your hotel, back in hotel, and come here. And any kind of spray bottles are also not allowed inside the temple. So it's better you just go barehanded, or you can just take a flower string alone. Don't take anything, even a matchbox also. It's better just leave everything out and you can enter the temple. So once the temple visit is done, everything, we came back by 8:30. So it almost took us 2 hours inside. It was not that crowdy, but still we had a good time inside there. And this is the outside path. By the way, like we got down in south entrance. There are 4 entrances, I guess, but the van driver dropped us in the south entrance, which is very easy, like quite comfortable too. And you need to walk. There are barricades in the south entrance in the main road. So after which, cars or 4-wheelers are not allowed. So it's better like once you get down there, and you have to walk around like half a kilometer to 50 meters to half a kilometer. You have to walk inside, where you can get to you can see many shops for shopping here, right from textiles, plastic items, food items, everything you can see here, as you can see. And in the south entrance gate, the main road, there's a hotel called Modern Restaurant. It was opened. This opened since I think 1900s. I'm not sure. Almost 70 to 80 years. This restaurant is placed there. I'm not sure of exact dates, but you can get pure veg hotel. You'll get all South Indian and par North Indian also. And it was a very yummy lunch. But if you're visiting Madurai, it's better you just go. You can go for non-veg options if you're a non-veg lover, because you've got many options in Madurai. But as you're visiting for temple, we thought we'll go for a vegetarian dinner or vegetarian meals. So we were back by I think around 9:30 to 10, and we had a sound sleep. So the Madurai work is over, and the next day we just left to Thiruparangundram. I'll be sharing it in a bit. The next day morning, we were given a complimentary breakfast along with the package, and it was pretty decent. Like breakfast, like idli, sambar, pongal, vadas, everything was served. I'll be sharing the hotel's address in the description bar. You can go and check that out if you wish to stay here. Now, once the breakfast is over, we left to Thiruparangundram temple, which is quite away from which is I think 10 minutes or 15 minutes drive from Madurai temple. It's a Lord Murugan's temple, very popular Murugan temple. As we visited, it's on 6th. By the way, this is on 6th March 2020. It was a Muhurtam day, so it was slightly crowded, but manageable. You can we came out everything it took us around 2 to 3 hours inside the temple. And as you can see, it's a Raja Gopuram. If you want to park, you can park it. As you can see, there are many cars are parked here. You can park and you have to walk. At least you have to be prepared to walk for at least half a kilometer well in advance. And this is the front part. So after which Your mobile phones are not allowed, but you can carry your mobile phones, but you cannot shoot. And this was the outfit of the day. By the way, the kurti is from that side, my makeup. And here you go. There are two other vlogs coming up, vlog 2 and vlog 3, that is which is taken in Rameshwaram and Tiruchendur. So wait for that. So here is a glimpse of the next vlog which was taken in Rameshwaram. I hope you all liked it. If you did so, please do support my channel by subscribing to my channel and following me on various social medias like Instagram and Facebook. All the links will be given in the description bar. Make sure you follow me there as well, because I'll be posting more photos in Instagram rather than posting here. I've taken amazing pictures. Everything will be posted in my Instagram handle. Make sure you check it out. See you soon. Bye.